How to fix no audio output device is installed in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix no audio output device is installed in Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is go with your settings at first, search for your settings. Under your settings, you need to simply go with the search and search for troubleshooters. And here you will have troubleshoot settings. Go with that, and then here you will have other troubleshooters. Double click on it. And here you will have audio section on the first. Under audio, you will have run on the right side. You just need to simply run the troubleshooter for audio. And after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next solution. So open up your services. Once you open up your services, now simply click on any service and then type W in your keyboard. And here you need to find Windows Audio Properties, or just simply go with Windows Audio. You need to double click on it, and here you will get the Windows Audio Properties. And here under the setup type, make sure that it is selected as automatic. And after that, you just need to simply go with apply and OK. Once you've done that, you just need to simply go and restart the service. Once you've restarted, then your problem might be fixed. You can simply go with the audio and then you can check. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next solution, which is you need to go with your speakers. Right click on your speakers, go with sounds, and you'll get this kind of interface. And after that, you need to go with playback, and you should select your default device. In my case, it's not headphones, it's speakers. So I'll be choosing speakers and then go with apply and OK. And after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then what you need to do is go with device manager. Open up your device manager. Under your device manager, you'll have the audio section, which is audio inputs and outputs. Enlarge that. And here you will have your speakers or your microphone. So I'll be choosing speakers. Right click on it and then go with update driver. You can go with search automatically for drivers, or you can browse my computer for drivers, anything that you're comfortable with. And after updating your drivers, your problem might be fixed. Once you've done with all of these, you just need to simply restart, and after restarting, your audios will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.